force in 1950 gave us a gift of democracy, justice, liberty, and equality. As we host our Triangle High sing song our national anthem will the full play. Let us remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar who framed this law. The most proud movement of our 77 Republic Day has arrived, the hosting of our glorious national flag. So it is now my great honor and privilege to invite our respected Reverend Father Pradeep kindly come forward and I request all the students just to move 5 steps back.
Towards the stage.
Towards the stage and
Please, remain silent.
Was that the most precious they have taken from our country? Eighth class students, can you answer me? Kohinoor diamond. The sir gave answer. Give him a big applause. So the Britishers have taken the Kohinoor diamond from our country, but we have the real Kohinoor diamonds in every family in our India. Who are they? Who are they? We, the children. The family children are the Kohinoor diamonds. So Kohinoor diamond is it's a light, mountain of light. It gives a shine and so valuable and so precious. So now we don't have the real diamond, but we have the real Kohinoor diamonds in our family. They are children. That is you. And you can shape our country. You can make our country more precious and make proud of our country. So finally, I say that to all the parents, to the teachers, it is our responsibility to make every child like a Kohinoor diamond in India for the future of our nation. Dear teachers, we need to not only celebrating the Republic Day every year, but we need to give the children quality of education, good behavior, and safe environment and safety to every child. It is a time of celebration, but also a call to action to citizens of India. So I finally conclude with a beautiful quote of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, who says, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." What is the quote? Prime Minister of India, the first Prime Minister of India says, Jawaharlal Nehru, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. 8th class students say, the children of India today, say all of it together. The children of India today will make tomorrow India proud. So, let us promise and you be good students, good children, study well, help others and make our country proud. Thank you one and all. Happy Republic Day to all of you. Jai Hind. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Eat, eat, eat. Digest, digest, digest. Out, out, out. Okay, once again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Banana, banana. Peel, peel, peel. Peel, peel, peel. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Eat, eat, eat. Digest, digest, digest. Out, out, out. All of you learn our words. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Reverend.
teachers are very excited.
तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जब ये बनाया बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले छिले हाल से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले
आँखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी से चुपके से खोले दिलों के ताले जा देते उसको जाने देते अपनी ना देते जिसके बिना है न
दुनिया से हमको क्या ले जाना यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना एक बार होता है प्यार के लाख बार कहना है कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले छिले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे उंगली पे सबको नचा दे दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Okay, put your hands together and okay, thank you.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली सात रंग यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली सात रंग धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली चादर ताने ऊपर है नदी सवेरे हरा समंदर है ये सजीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला
We expected till 45, so it's one time only. So we'll till then we get them practice. So we have to give them some snacks now. In the class only we'll give them. Let's see. And from there, like those who are
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली भी रंगोली सात रंग धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली चादर ताने
Thank you. Give him applause.
The chief guest of the day, all my dear teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear students, very good morning to you all. Happy Republic Day. As end of the functions, I like to propose my vote of thanks, especially to Reverend Father Pradeep, who has come here and give to flag the host of the day and also give this beautiful message, reminding us that each one of us are the Kohinoor diamond. Each one of us are the Kohinoor diamond for your family, for the society, and for the entire nation. And therefore, Republic Day or Independence Day is not just a gift of freedom alone, but Republic Day and Independence Day is telling us that the sacrifice that our forefathers, the sacrifice, the blood they shed for the nations, for our freedom, is carried on today as well. And therefore, very fondly I say always the sayings, do not curse the darkness. Do not curse the darkness, rather light a candle to dispel the darkness. Do not curse the darkness, rather light a candle to dispel the darkness. As the British were captivating or captured our nations, in a way Indians were in darkness of bondage, slavery. With the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, their lives and their blood, we got the freedom, the light. Therefore, it is today is in our turn, each one of us, as a faculty, as a Xaverian family, staff, students, our parents, it is our duty to establish their freedom. Today also, the darkness is existing in different ways and different forms. In which are the way that we are going to break, dispel the darkness that are existing in our society, it's up to us. And therefore, I end with saying, each one of us making a conscious effort to dispel this darkness. And therefore, if not you, ask the questions, who? If not you, each one of you, then who will dispel the darkness? If not here, then where? Where are you going to dispel the darkness? And if not now, then when? Ask these questions always, so that we also, like that our Father Pradeep said, the Kohinoor diamonds, you will become. If not you, the diamond, then who? If not here, then where? If not now, then when? With these short reflections, I also like to thank the entire teaching staff who put their effort training our students. The short two programs, very significant programs, one song and two dance, portraying the patriotism, the spirit of ours to permeate in each one of us. Therefore, wish you once again Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Of the day, and also give this beautiful message, reminding us that each one of us are the Kohinoor diamond. Each one of us are the Kohinoor diamond for your family, for the society, and for the entire nation. And therefore, Republic Day or Independence Day is not rather light a candle to dispel the darkness. As the British were captivating or captured our nations, in a way Indians were in darkness of bondage, slavery. With the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, their lives and their blood, we got the freedom, the light. Therefore, it is today is in our turn, each one of us, as a faculty, as a Xaverian family, staff, students, our parents, it is our duty to establish. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Father. So at last, once again, I want to say that Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Thank you.
गाइस मतलब देख सकते हैं इधर का जो ये जो स्टेडियम में डिस्प्ले के लिए लेके गया था, देख सकते हैं ये। वेरी गुड।